What if humanity isn't just a product of evolution, but the direct descendants of ancient gods? Picture this. Our DNA carries the divine spark of celestial beings, gods, aliens, or cosmic creators who seeded Earth with their essence millennia ago. Sounds like a myth ripped from a fantasy epic. But what if it's the shocking truth of our origins? Could our history, myths, and even science point to a divine ancestry hidden by time? Today, we'll dive into the electrifying theory that humans are the children of gods, uncover jaw-dropping clues, and question who's keeping this secret. Don't look away because this could rewrite everything you know about yourself. Let's start with a question that shakes the foundations of our existence. What if humanity is the offspring of ancient deities, beings of immense power who shaped our world? The divine ancestry theory suggests we're not mere mortals, but heirs to gods. Whether extraterrestrial creators, celestial entities, or lost civilizations who engineered humanity for a grand purpose. This could be to rule Earth, fulfill a cosmic plan, or guard a hidden legacy. From ancient texts to genetic mysteries, evidence hints at a godly lineage. Why do myths echo the same divine origins? Are we more than human? Let's unravel the thrilling evidence behind this mind-blowing idea. Ancient myths set the stage. 5,000 years ago, Sumerian tablets spoke of sky gods who birthed humans to serve them. In 1970, a scholar suggested these gods were real beings, possibly aliens, who mixed their DNA with early hominids. Could the biblical sons of God, studied in 2005, be a veiled reference to our divine creators? Egyptian records add intrigue. 3,000 years ago, hieroglyphs claimed pharaohs were children of Ra, born from divine blood. In 1980, an archaeologist proposed this wasn't symbolic but literal, pointing to advanced beings shaping humanity. Why else would ancients insist on godly lineage? Modern science fuels curiosity. In 1990, a geneticist found unexplained DNA sequences in humans, dubbed junk, but eerily similar to non-human patterns. In 2015, a study revealed our genome contains markers suggesting artificial intervention. Could these be traces of divine engineering? Conspiracy theories ignite debate. In 1975, a leaked document, allegedly from a secret society, claimed humanity's divine origins are hidden to keep us subservient. In 2000, a theorist suggested elites suppress this truth to maintain control over a godly population. Are we being kept in the dark? Archaeological clues are striking. In 1980, researchers found ancient carvings in Peru depicting star beings teaching humans. In 2010, a dig in Turkey uncovered statues of godlike figures with human traits, dated to 10,000 years ago. Why do ancient sites scream divine intervention? Ancient texts deepen the mystery. 4,000 years ago, Indian Vedas described diva gods mating with humans, creating hybrid offspring. In 1985, a linguist argued these were historical accounts of genetic blending, not myths. Why do global cultures share stories of divine parents? The alien angle is gripping. In 1980, a ufologist proposed extraterrestrials, posing as gods, engineered humans to mine resources or serve cosmic goals. In 2020, unexplained DNA anomalies spiked in global studies, hinting at non-earthly origins. Are we cosmic creations? Motive is key. Why would gods create us? In 1995, an anthropologist suggested we were made to steward Earth with divine traits to ensure success. Alternatively, it could be control. In 2008, a theorist claimed our godly DNA is locked to prevent rebellion against our creators. Cultural patterns are eerie. In 1960, myths worldwide told of golden children born from gods, tasked with great deeds. In 2015, a sociologist found rituals honoring divine ancestors, as if humanity clings to its godly roots. Are we subconsciously aware of our heritage? Scientific anomalies pile up. In 2000, a study showed humans possess unexplained cognitive leaps, unmatched by other species. In 2017, researchers found mitochondrial DNA with patterns suggesting an ancient boost. Why do we carry godly traits? Historical gaps raise suspicion. In 1970, records of Sumerian god lists vanished, despite claims of detailing human origins. In 2010, a historian uncovered censored Egyptian texts about star-born humans erased by unknown powers. Why hide our divine past? Psychological hints are haunting. In 1980, a psychologist noted people dream of celestial parents with no cultural trigger. In 2009, a study showed meditation triggers visions of divine light in our DNA, as if sensing our origins. Are our minds tuned to godhood? Skeptics dismiss the idea. In 1990, a biologist argued humans evolved naturally, with no divine input, but gaps remain. In 2011, a geneticist admitted unexplained DNA segments challenge evolutionary models. Why the scientific resistance? The Fermi paradox connects here. If aliens exist, why no contact? In 2006, a theorist suggested our divine creators avoid us to preserve their experiment. In 2022, odd signals during genetic studies hinted at external monitoring. Are our gods watching? How could this work? Some say gods use genetic engineering. In 1995, a patent for DNA splicing surfaced, tied to covert projects. Others point to myths. In 2019, a scholar claimed global flood stories describe a reset to refine human divinity. Who engineered our souls? Archaeological sites add weight. In 1970, Mexico's pyramids were found with alignments to stars linked to godly constellations. In 2014, a dig in Greece revealed tablets describing divine blood in humans. Why do ancient builders honor our godly roots? Ancient wisdom is compelling. 3,000 years ago, Chinese texts spoke of heavenly emperors gifting humans with wisdom. In 1985, a linguist suggested these were advanced beings, not metaphors, who shaped our minds. Why do ancients describe divine mentors? The psychological toll is profound. In 1990, a therapist noted patients report visions of star ancestors with no clear trigger. In 2020, meditation groups saw cosmic threads in their essence, as if tapping into divine origins. Are we haunted by our godly past? Skeptics argue we're just animals. In 1980, a scientist claimed evolution explains all human traits, but doubts linger. In 2012, a researcher admitted unexplained leaps in human intelligence suggest external influence. Why the reluctance to explore divinity? The evidence is tantalizing. Myths, science, and history suggest humanity may descend from gods, but the truth is shrouded. In 2020, a theorist urged studying ancient DNA for clues, warning ignorance keeps us mortal. If we're divine, history holds the answers. What's next? Some call for decoding our DNA. Others demand access to suppressed texts. If humanity is godly, we must uncover the truth. Will you embrace your divine spark? If you love mysteries that unravel existence, if you seek truths that challenge reality, this channel is your haven. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Join our quest for answers. Next time, we'll dive into another enigma that'll blow your mind. Stay curious, truth seekers.